Alright, what is up, y'all, man? It's been a minute since I done dropped a POV for y'all boys. Let's get cooking! Oh, I love this M5. Best car ever made, don't at me. Don't at me. Anyways, man, this is going to be the last video I upload with the windshield looking like this. Y'all are so mad about my windshield. Y'all are more mad about the windshield than me. And to be honest, y'all, the reason I haven't done anything about it and it's just been looking like this is because honestly, I didn't really care. I didn't really make it a priority, honestly. But now everybody in the comments, I want to get my car re-tinted, and if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it all at once. So that's really why the windshield has not been done. I don't really care for it. I mean, I can still drive with it like this, but this car is too expensive to be looking like beat up and stuff, and I want to get my car back to 100% tip-top shape. That's why I got the wheels refinished and everything redone, because I do want the car back in tip-top shape. You know what I'm saying? What the heck? So that's what we're working on right now. We're gonna drop the car off, which y'all saw that in the last video. But I wanted to give a POV too while I'm doing it. It's just, man, y'all, this car, when I tell you I'm gonna have my car back at like 100%, bro, like this car is about to be at 100%. Everything's gonna be good. Why is this piece of crap Malibu on my like bumper like this, bro? Please get away from me. I'm not cutting up in traffic with you, bro. Like, you got it, bro. You wanna go fast, go on. I'm just gonna sit here and cruise. But yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I really been lacking and slacking on the uploads, but it's also because I have other stuff going on. It's also because I have just a lot of other stuff that I'm trying to do. This car stuff, like, as much as I would love for it to be my main focus and the main thing that I do, it just can't be that right now. So I'm trying to do as much as I can while I can, until further notice, basically. So I'm doing as much as I can for y'all right now, and I hope y'all appreciate that, man. I try to, at least when I do upload, I try to upload good quality stuff. You know what I'm saying? I ain't upload no boo-boo content. You know what I'm saying? So I'm at least trying to upload good stuff. I know the videos are a little shorter, but I have a lot of stuff going on in personal life that I have to take care of and have to handle. And that's just kind of like, I wouldn't say it's getting in the way, because in a sense, it's actually preparing me for me to be able to do YouTube as much as I want and as much as I need to. So I wouldn't say it's getting in the way. I would just say it's like preparing me for what's to come. I promise y'all. And y'all just gotta stay tuned. I never let y'all down, do I? No. So just know I have stuff cooking up. I have things in the way. Things are coming into fruition, and we are gonna be good, bro. We are gonna be straight. We are gonna be good. I just want y'all to know, like, Tez is cooking, okay? I need y'all to trust me. If the videos, you know, are slowly getting put out, they're gonna keep getting put out. That's what I need y'all to understand. The videos are going to keep getting put out, like, regardless. That's not a question at all. But that slow ass Hellcat. Hellcat is slow. What you thought that was like gonna scare me or something, boy? Look, here you go. Look at him, y'all. I might have to bully this Hellcat. I ain't want to have to do it to him, but I think I got to. Yeah, looks like I got to. car is not slow. And I'm a real driver. This car is not slow and I'm a real driver. But that being said, man, I need y'all to know I'm still cooking. Everything coming up into fruition. Everything gonna be good. Everything gonna be straight. This car is, I love this car, man. I really do. And I really want to get it back to tip-top shape. When I say tip-top shape, I just want to just get the windshield fixed. As y'all know, the thing that happened to the door, well, that's getting fixed right now. I'm getting I didn't even tell y'all, the front bumper is getting repainted too, because when I got the car, I want to say ignorant. I never had a car PPF before, so I didn't get this car PPF, and I hate when I don't get a car PPF. So at the shop that I'm taking it to, they are going to PPF it. I mean, not PPF it, they're going to repaint the front bumper and the doors and stuff, and all that will be PPF, and I'll be fine. And if I had PPF on the side, it would have just been paintless dent removal. Why am I so close to this truck? No idea. But yeah, so I want to get the car PPF'd. I want to get the front bumper resprayed, because the front bumper, I'm going to show y'all the front bumper. Like, I'm actually, look, I'm going to insert a video. The front bumper is literally horrible, bro. I mean, actually horrible. So I just want to get everything right, man. Everything right. And my car is coming up on 50,000 miles. It's not there yet, but it is coming up on it. So I feel like 50K, I want to, like, I don't know, like, after 50K, I want to just baby it. And like, I did all these miles myself. My car's been literally everywhere, bro. Like, literally almost, not every state, obviously, but it's been to a lot of states. It's been all over the place, man. So I just want to take care of it, make sure everything is good, make sure all is good. It's just I got some parts in the door right there for the steering wheel, because when I changed the steering wheel, I had one of the things, I had pulled it too hard and the clip broke, so I have to get that back together. It's just, bro, it's like, when I say get my car back to 100% shape, it's literally, holy crap, it's like tedious things, you know what I'm saying? It's not like no major thing, like my car not clapped out, you know what I'm saying, or raggedy or anything. It's just tedious things that needs to be fixed to my standard, you know what I'm saying? I want to get it looking like this thing is coming fresh off the lot, like working fine, working good, you know what I'm saying? That's really that's the standard I want to get it up to. But even buying a car fresh off the lot ain't gonna be top notch, you know what I'm saying? So, but with that being said, man, we are about to drop the car off right now, as y'all know. And when it's back, just know when it's back, everything should, the front bumper, only thing that probably won't be done is the PPF, but the front bumper and everything should be done when I get it back. There's a cop up here, and I don't know what county it is. Let me see. Is that Dunwoody or Doraville? It's police. What police are you, bro? Hey, why they didn't announce they so? Look, they scary now. Get behind them then. Oh my goodness, bro. You're not serious right now. Go, bro. Go. Get out the way. Who is this? It's Dunwoody police. They can't even do nothing. Go. Stay in your lane. Then he gonna cut across the median. Little scary tail self. be so scared of the police, bro. If the let's just let it be known that if the police want you, bro, they gonna get over there and get you, bro, regardless of what you do. They gonna get you. If the police want you, they gonna get you. Stop trying to be all scary and move around and drive slow and get, no, bro. Ain't got time for none of that. Just let the police get you. They gonna get you. Jeez. It just irritated me, bro. Oh my goodness, look at the traffic going back this way. Jeez. How far is my exit? I actually really don't know. Let me see. Oh, that's Kevin ass. Come here, Kevin. Come here.
Caution, dangerous traffic situation ahead.
Hey. Alright, hold on. What exit I'm getting off on? Oh, 103. Bet. Let me DM Kevin. Nah, because Kevin got a carbon fiber diffuser. I don't think that's Kevin. There is another F90 though, with the same color. Oh, what? Don't swing that racket. Hey, I be scared when I be seeing them little cars swing. Hey, they be doing a little swing too much, bro. Hey, y'all, the pre-LCI tail lights do not look bad. Not gonna lie. They look pretty straight. That's that green F90. LCI headlights are just not it. I ain't gonna lie to you. The tail lights are fine, but the headlights, no sir. Oh my goodness. Hey, I wonder like if the tint is what's holding this crack together. Ha! I feel like this windshield like should have like gave in. Is it this exit I'm getting off on or the next one? No, stay right there. Thank you, son. Thank you, son. Oh, I need to get in front of this truck. Boom. Shaboing boing. Yo, I left my other phone at the house, so I have no GPS, I have no music, I have nothing. And usually I need GPS, but I'll literally be over here all the time, so I know like I know what I'm doing. Anyways, thank y'all for tuning in to this POV, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for all the love and support that y'all have given me. And I hope y'all stick around, man, for what I got tuned. Cause I'm cooking! I'm cooking! I need to get out this way. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. No.